Hello, good morning. You able to hear me? You can please reply to the chat. So, are you able to hear me, guys? Yeah, okay. Yes, please. So, today is our 15th batch, session 1. So, I hope my voice and screen is clear to you. Is my voice and screen is clear to you? Yeah? Okay, good. Okay. So, today is our 15th batch, first session. I welcome all you people to my Informatica training for 15th batch, session 1. So, before starting the session, I would like to introduce myself. So I am Natraj. People call me Raj. I am from Hindupur, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. And I am having total 11 years of almost 11 and a half years experience into Informatica PowerCenter. So I am currently working in Bangalore. And this training I have started from last May 2020, May 2021, I started my training, first batch, and this is 15th batch. Okay, so I welcome all you people, okay, to my training. So I hope you will get good training, good knowledge here. Okay, so I welcome all you people. Now the instructions are okay. So you cannot speak here. Okay, you cannot speak here because there are many people are there. Morning, almost many people will be there. Morning or evening, whatever. Okay. Okay. So you cannot speak, but you can ask anything. You can ask anything in the chat. Okay. So in the chat box, you can ask anything. I will reply you. But you should not ask in between. Okay. I will give a chance to. I'll give a chance to ask the questions. So then you can type your question in the chat box. And second thing. Okay. Maybe today you are watching this session in mobile, but from the next session at least, don't watch in mobile. Okay, try to watch in laptop only. Okay, because in mobile the screen will be very less. You will not understand the practical things which I do. Okay, so at least from the next session you watch in the laptop, or if you have tab, okay, so you can watch in tab also. Okay, it will be better. So try to avoid watching in mobile. That's the thing. Okay. Next, our timings are daily fixed timings. Okay. These timings will not change. Our entire sessions, the timings will not change. The timings are, one second, please. Let me clear it. One second. Yeah. So the timings are morning 9:30 to 11:30, morning batch, evening batch 7:30 to 9:30. Okay. So these timings are fixed. These timings will not change. Suppose, okay, if any 1 or 2 sessions or few sessions, if you are not available on morning, if you want to join in evening, at least 1 day before, okay. Suppose tomorrow you want to join morning batch. Sorry, you are in morning batch. You are in morning batch. You want to join in evening batch because morning you are busy. Then at least 1 day before you need to tell to us. Okay, then we'll give the evening access. Got it? At least 1 day before. Okay. If you ask me, like, suppose tomorrow there is a session at 9:30. There is a session at 9:30. If you ask me at 9:20, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I cannot give. I cannot give, please. Okay. So at least 1 day before, plan for it. If you are busy at morning, then we'll give the access for evening. The same thing, whatever I tell in morning, same thing will be repeated in evening. Same thing will be repeated in evening. Yes, clear about the sessions? Yes, guys? Yeah. Now, at what time you want to join the session daily? At what time you want to join? 9:15 you need to join morning. Please join by 9:15. Okay. So Prashanti, you please rejoin. Okay, maybe that is a problem with your Zoom. So is my voice on screen is clear, guys? Is my voice on screen is clear? Yes. If it is not clear, that is from your side. That is not from my side. Okay. So now, if you now next is daily 9:50 a.m. 9:15 a.m. you should be joined to the session. Exactly today I started at 9:40, but from tomorrow, okay, that means from the next class, I will start by 9:30 a.m. sharp. I will start by 9:30 a.m. sharp. Okay. So please join by 9:15 a.m. only and wait for me, and I'll start at 9:30 a.m. sharp. Okay. So please don't miss it, because I will not wait for anyone. I will not wait for anyone, please. So please join on time. Today is a first session. That's why I started late. Okay, but from the next session onwards, you must join by 9:15 a.m. and I will start the session at 9:30 a.m. Okay, that is about it. Next, I hope everyone has installed Informatica. If you are not installed Informatica, you install tomorrow and day after tomorrow. The next session is on Monday. You have enough time. You have enough time to install. So I will send in the group installation links and also installation video. You just go through the video. And install Informatica, please. And install Informatica. Okay. So if you are facing any issues while you are installing, then please, okay, there is no session tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay. So please, so what do you need to do? So please install as soon as possible, because from Monday onwards, we'll start the practical sessions. Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah. So will you install? If you already installed, then it is fine. If you don't install, please install. Okay. Don't forget to install, please. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. One second. Yes. Okay. So first you need to install Oracle, then you need to install Informatica. The video I have shared, I will share you. So by seeing that video, you can easily install. If you're unable to install, then WhatsApp us. Always WhatsApp us on this number only, please. You have to contact to, if you want a quick reply, you have to always WhatsApp on 8105296858. You should not WhatsApp on any other number. Please WhatsApp always on this number. Okay. Will surely reply you. Okay. So that's about the installation. To install Informatica and Oracle, okay, you must have 6 GB RAM. At least 150 GB available hard disk space. 100 to 150 GB available hard disk space should be there. Okay, then only you can install. So you can use any processor, i3, i5, any generation is fine. i5 any generation, i7 any generation processor is fine. If you have, and also Windows 8 must require. Windows 8 or 10 or 11. If it is Windows 10 or 11, that will be good. If it is Windows 10 or 11, that will be good. Try to avoid Windows 7 and 8. Okay. Try to avoid Windows 7 and 8. Okay. So if you have 4 GB RAM in your laptop, so try to upgrade it to 8 GB. Instead of 6 GB, take one more 4 GB so that it will become 8 GB. Okay. That's about the installation. So please Okay, so please install as soon as possible. Please install as soon as possible. Okay. So by at least by Sunday night, you complete the installation. Next. See, our classes, the first week will be alternative sessions. First week and second week will be alternative sessions. That means, one second, please. So why? Because people will be joining. People will be joining. Okay. Yeah, 64-bit. Yes. And it should be 64-bit. It should be, your laptop should be 64-bit. Correct. If it is 32-bit, it will not work. 64-bit. Okay. If it should be 64-bit. It should be 64-bit laptop. 32-bit laptop, you cannot install. So why I am taking first and second week, or first and half of the second week alternative sessions? Why? Because people will be joining, they will be installing, and we need to go slow. That's why our sessions will be, next session is on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then Monday. From Monday, we'll see if I can take alternative sessions or daily sessions. Okay. After 1 or 2 weeks, it will be daily sessions, and Sunday only holiday. Only Sunday is holiday. Saturday also will take the sessions. Okay. It will take 40 to 45 days to complete. It will take 40 to 45 days to complete. Okay. So that's about this. Are you clear, please, everyone, about the sessions? Total I'll take 30 to 37 sessions. Total I'll take 35, I can say 34 to 37 sessions. 34 to 37 sessions I will take. Okay. So based on the course completion, I will take 34 to 37 sessions. Okay. So that's about the sessions. Okay. And now coming to the videos part, the most important thing. Coming to the videos. Okay. Hard disk space, SSD, if it is 250, 560, if it is 512 SSD, then it will be good. If it is 512 SSD, then it will be good. Otherwise, you can take 256 also. But if you have some budget, so take 560, 512, so that next 5 years, no need to change anything. That's about SSD. Okay. Yeah. Now, coming to the most important thing about videos. So the videos will be given in these 34 to 37 sessions. All are live sessions. All are live sessions. All sessions are live. In these, first to 10 sessions will be available in website. Recordings, first to 10 sessions, video recordings. Video recordings will be available in website. Will be available in our website, rajinformatica.com. Okay. 256 also fine. Better take 512. Better take 512. Okay. So 1 to 10th session or 1 to 12th session, I'm not sure. So based on the topic, I will give 1 to 10 sessions video recordings that you can watch in the website. You cannot download. You can watch on website. From 11th video, if it is hard disk, then fine. If you have hard disk, then fine. If you are buying a new laptop, then go for a. If you are buying a new laptop, then go for a SSD laptop, then hard disk, then a hard disk laptop. Okay. 1 minute. One minute, please. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. So you will get only first to 10 session recordings. After that, you will not get it. You have to join this 1 to 10 also. This 1 to 10 also recording what live sessions only. But for your reference, because you are new, that's why I'll give the recordings. That's why I'll give the recordings. Okay, but after 11 to 37 or 35th, you must join the live sessions. If you miss any one or two, ping me separately on 8105296858. We'll give the access, one or two. If you ask on daily basis, we'll not provide videos strictly. Will not provide the videos strictly, please. Clear about the videos? Are you clear about the videos? Without, because from first batch onwards, I am doing the same. Why they are getting the jobs, are they are not watching the videos. They are practicing without watching videos. They are practicing without watching videos. If you practice one time without watching video, then that is more than enough. If you practice 100 times by watching a video, that's waste of time. You will not understand, you will not remember it. So don't rely on video. So try to practice, try to practice without video, please. Without video. Clear about it? Yeah. Next. On daily basis, what you will get it? You will get the material. You will get the material like this. In a Google Drive, I'll send a Google Drive link. I'll send a Google Drive link. Okay. So you will get this Google Drive links. So first day, I'll send the Google Drive link. Okay. So you will be getting like this. So the images, okay, the images, okay, and the notes, all those things, you will get it. Okay. So you will get it like this like this, you will get and each and every day, you will get the notes. Okay. PPTs, XMLs, okay. So Excel sheets, everything you will get it. Okay. Yeah, 1 or 2 days, if you miss, 1 or 2 days, if you miss, okay, then ping me separately, then I'll provide the video. Okay, 1 or 2 days, after 1 to 10 sessions, 1 or 2 sessions if you miss, okay, if you ask me personally, don't ask in the group. You no need to prepare, you no need to do anything, please. Just listen carefully. The only thing you need to do is just listen carefully. Listen, just listen carefully. That's it. You no need to write anything. You no need to take the screenshot. You no need to write in a notepad. I will give whatever I'm showing you, I will give to you. So you no need to do anything. Okay. Yes, please. Just listen carefully. That's it. The thing is, you should sit in a calm room. You should not sit in a living room or a hall, okay, with a TV on, or you should not listen the session by talking with others, okay, or you should not sit in a noisy room. Take a room and lock the room and watch 2 hours. Understand it. Finish. That's it. Okay. Yes, guys. So please listen. Listening is important, please. If you listen, then you can understand. If you understand, then you can practice. If you practice, you will get a job. So please, the main thing is you need to listen, then understand, then practice, attend the interview, get the job. That's it. Attend the interview, get the job. Simple. I will not give to unmute your audio, please. Why? Because there are now how many people? 293 people are there. So maybe by Monday morning, 400 to 450 people will join. If at a time people will speak, nobody will understand anything. It will be disturbance to you people only. That's why I will not give the mute access, unmute access. Whatever you want to ask, you have to ask in chat only. Okay. Clear, please? Yes, guys. Yeah. Okay. Now, so I told you don't ask the questions. I'll give the AMD processor also will work. Just check it out. AMD processor also will work. Okay, but take Intel only. Then AMD, try to take Intel only. Okay. So I will get daily you will get like this materials. Okay. So daily you will get the materials like this. So see, session 1. Okay. And session 2 material. Session 2 went here. Session 2. Okay. Like this. Session 3. Yeah. You will get notes, today notes. Okay. And if I show you any images like this, images and any Word documents, everything I'll give to you. Okay. Everything I'll give to you. Yeah. Whatever I say, how to know whether your laptop is 60-bit or 64-bit or 32-bit? Go to your this PC here. we will be having our search with computer or PC, right? Yeah. Or go to your C drive. Okay. Go to your C drive. Here. This PC is there, no? Right click on this PC. Show more properties. Properties. In the properties, system type, 64-bit operating system. System type is 64-bit. This is RAM. This is my device name, processor, 11th generation, i5, installed RAM 32 GB. Okay. And system type 64-bit operating system. And my operating system is Windows 11. Okay. So this is how you need to look into it. Yeah. So right click on this PC, properties. You can see your RAM, you can see your processor, you can see the generation. Okay, it is 11th generation. I guess this is 11th generation. Okay, my processor is. My RAM is 32 GB. For you, it is 6 GB is enough. For you, it's 6 GB is enough. Okay, that's how it will be. Okay, that is about this. So please listen carefully. Once you listen carefully, you will understand anything, please. Okay, next. Next. So as I told you, so I started from May 2021. I started with 9 people. My first batch, morning batch, I started with 9 people. Okay. In 13th batch, 700 people were there. In 14th batch also almost 650 plus people are there. Now also in this batch also we'll be having 650 plus people. Okay. So, but I started with 9 people. Okay. So because people are getting the jobs, they are joining my training, and they'll give good knowledge. I can 100% guarantee that you will go with a good knowledge after this training. So whatever you expect, it will be more than this in this training for sure. Okay. I will give only real-time training. I will not give nonsense thing. Whichever we use real-time, I will tell only that thing. I'll just tell real-time training only. I will not tell which is not useful for real-time. Okay. So my training will be job-based real-time training. That means my target is you people should get a job. Once you complete your training, you people should get a job. When you do these things. If you do these things listen, understand, first attend all sessions. Attend all sessions. Then listen the session carefully. Understand it. Practice on daily basis. Practice on daily basis. Then attend the interviews. Get the job. Simple, please. Okay. So that is what you need to do. That is what you need to do, please. So don't miss any session. So please attend the oral sessions and practice well. Now, is there any certification provided? Course completion certificate will be available in website. Course completion certificate will be available in website. You can take from there. Okay, after completion of your course completion certificate will be given. But there is no use with that certificate. I don't know if you have any advantage with that certificate. Okay, so but we'll provide you. Course completion certificate will provide you. Okay, that's about this. Next, what and all I will cover? What and all I will cover in this training? I will cover Oracle SQL basics, whichever is required for Informatica interview and Informatica Realtime. Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 basics. Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 basics to advanced concepts. Basics to advanced concepts. And Unix basic commands. Mini project I will show you, and you have to implement the mini project. And I will show you how to prepare that means I will give the resume to you based on your experience. I'll give the interview questions, and I will tell you how to, that means like how to crack interview easily, how to answer in the interview, okay, how to apply, where to apply, everything I will tell. Okay. Yes, please. Clear about it? What and all will cover? Okay, data warehousing concepts also. Data warehousing concepts. Data warehousing concepts also will cover. Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter basics to advanced, Unix basics, data warehousing concepts, mini project, Resume, I'll give it to you. Interview questions and job assistance. Mock interviews, no, not required. Mock interviews, no. Okay. So, but I'll tell you what to do. No, mini project is same for all the person. Mini project is same, but in the resume, the projects I will give different projects to different people. The resume will not be same for two people. I'll give different resume to everyone. The projects also I'll give. With the projects I'll give. Okay. That's about this. Okay. About video, I already told you. Now, we have two WhatsApp groups. We have job assistance means what? How to get a job easily. That is called job assistance. How to get a job easily. So how to attend the interview, where you need to apply, how to apply. Yeah, I'll provide the scenarios also. So how to apply, where to apply, how to get the calls, how to upload the resume, okay, and how to answer in the interview. Tell me about yourself means what to tell. Tell me about your project means what to tell. All those things I'll tell. That is called job assistance. Okay, job assistance. 10.5, 10.2, both are almost same. There is no such much difference. As a developer, for a developer perspective, there is no much difference. So you don't need to worry. Okay. And we have two WhatsApp groups. One is morning batch WhatsApp group, evening batch WhatsApp group. Morning people will be in morning batch WhatsApp groups. Evening batch people will be in evening batch WhatsApp group. You should always in WhatsApp groups, no good morning messages, no good evening, no happy birthdays, no festival greetings, nothing please. It will be purely for Informatica only. Only you should ask Informatica or Oracle or Unix related questions only. Okay, and take help from them. Take help from the people. Okay, installation issues also you can discuss over there. Okay, and don't misuse the group. Okay, if I see that any person simply misusing the group, I'll remove them. I'll just remove them. Just give me a second, please. 1 second. Guys, I'm an important call. Please wait for 1 minute. Just 1 minute, please. Okay. Yeah. So Linux and Unix are same. Yeah. Will you provide permission to WhatsApp group? Yes, I'll provide. I'll enable the WhatsApp group. What is the job role? Informatica developer. You are all Informatica developers. You are all Informatica developers. Okay. You have to work on Informatica majorly, minorly Oracle. Minorly Oracle will work, but majorly Informatica will work. Okay. So we have two WhatsApp groups and we have a Telegram group, which is all my students from first batch. So you can connect with them in the Telegram group. Okay. Yeah. If it is hard disk 1 TB is there, then no need to add SSD. No need to have SSD. Okay. So if you have 8 GB 64-bit Windows 10, that is fine. More than enough. 1 TB, more than enough. You no need to add 512 SSD. Not required. Okay. And also I will create practice groups. This is very important, please. This is very important. Okay. So what I'm saying, I will create practice WhatsApp groups. That means I'll create 6 WhatsApp groups like this. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. to 2 p.m., 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 9 a.m., or like that, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., 9 p.m. to 12 p.m., 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Like that, I'll create the WhatsApp groups. So you can join in any WhatsApp group and you have to practice with others. And you have to practice with others. Okay, suppose in a WhatsApp group, this WhatsApp group, there are 20 people are there. In the 20 people, no, all will not join. 10 people will join maybe. You share a Zoom link. You share a Zoom link and the people will join. And you discuss each other in the practice groups. So practice groups are very important, please. Practice groups are very important. Why? Because, okay, if you work individually, you will not get anything. If you practice in the group, okay, practice groups are very successful in our training because people are using and they are getting benefited. And they are getting benefited, okay, by using practice groups. By using practice groups. Okay. Yes, please. So don't practice individually. Okay, practice in groups, please. Practice in groups because many batches, okay, the people got the jobs easily when they practice in the practice groups. When you practice in practice groups, always speak in English so that your communication skills also will improve. Your communication skills also will improve. Okay. So please join in practice groups and practice. Okay. In one of the batch, okay, there were 5 people daily practicing in the practice groups. Okay, they were discussing about the interview questions. They were discussing about the like how the like where they have attended interview, all these things. WhatsApp only. Okay. So you can join 1 or 2 groups. 1 or 2 groups. Don't join in all groups and doing nothing is waste. Okay, join any 1 or 2 groups. Okay, and practice well. That's it. Okay, that's about practice sessions. And in that group, one guy got a job and the other guy, and that guy referred all people. They all got the jobs. Okay, so practice groups are very important. So after my session, join in the practice group and create a Zoom link. Create a Zoom link and practice with them. Okay, so that your communication skills also will improve and your practice will also improve. Okay, so you have to create the Zoom link. You have to create the Zoom link. Okay, while you are doing the practice, you have to create the Zoom link. Okay, so that is about the practice group. Okay, and also what I can say, see, when you go to the office, you have to work with a team. You should not work individually. Okay, you should work individually. You should work. That is correct. But you should work with the team. The same thing you will also do it. So work with the team. Work with the team. Okay, and practice well and get the jobs as soon as possible. Yes, please. So will this help you to practice? Will this help you to practice practice groups? Yes, guys. Yeah. So if you are daily free at 12 to 2 p.m., join in this group. If you are daily, I will share the link. I'll share the links in the main group, WhatsApp group links. You can join. You can join. Okay. So that's about practice sessions. That is about practice sessions. Okay. As I told you, you have to practice well. Informatica means practice. Informatica means practice. Without practice, you cannot survive in Informatica, please. If you can't practice, then it's waste of time. So at least half an hour at least. If normally, how much hour? If you have 8 hours, practice 8 hours. If you have 4 hours, practice 4 hours. If you have 1 hour, practice 1 hour. If you have half an hour, practice 1 hour. Practice half an hour, please. Practice half an hour. Okay. So don't waste the time. Okay, time is very important, please. So don't waste the time and practice well. And practice well, please. Okay. So listen, practice on daily basis. Okay. You should get a job easily. Many people got the jobs in the first interview. Few people got 3 offers, 4 offers, 7 offers, 9 offers also they got. Few people, 1 or 2 people in my previous batches, they got 9 offers also. Okay. Why? Because they are practicing. They are practicing on daily basis. Okay. You should be able to select in the first interview if you attend my training. When? If you not miss any session, if you listen all the sessions, perfectly, and if you understand them, if you practice them, okay, and if you complete the mini project which I given, and there will be some tests in the website I'll enable. If you complete all the tests, if you read and understand all my PPT, some notes, then you should be able to easily get a job in the first attempt itself. Okay. Yes, please. So these things you need to do for sure. You must do it. Okay. Got it, guys? Yes. See, in our training, what and all we have? 3 things we have. 3 subjects mainly. If I speak about subjects, one is Informatica, Oracle, SQL. Informatica, Oracle, SQL, Unix. Informatica is major subject. Oracle is major. Informatica and Oracle, you need to concentrate more. Unix is just few commands, some 30 to 40 commands if you learn more than enough. So only 2 subjects in 45 days. You can easily learn. Please. And Informatica is very easy. I will make you easy. I will tell you in the easiest manner so you can easily understand and you can practice. Okay. So I'm telling again, practice is very important. So because people will ignore my words at starting sessions, once it reaches the end, and they will not get time to practice and they will not select. So from the first day itself, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time and practice well. I'm telling in the first day itself. Okay. Yeah. Now Unix will learn at last, but on daily basis, sometimes Oracle, sometimes Informatica, both will work. Informatica and Oracle, but Unix at last will work. Okay. So that's about this. See, you are all well grown up people. You are all adults. Okay. You have a good maturity now. Okay. The subject you understand when you are in 18 or 20. The subject you can understand now is better. Okay. So that time you may not understand the subject, but here, okay, you have to understand it. You can have a better understanding now at this age. Okay. So on 16th session onwards, okay, our mini project will start. Till 16th, we will be having basics and advanced concepts. Okay. So once we complete 16 sessions, mini project will start. So if you complete my mini project, you will surely get a job. Okay. So try to complete the mini project. That's it. That's about that. Okay. See, in this training, many people completed BE or BTech. Few people completed MBA or MCA. Few people completed BCA, BSc Computers, BCom, BA, B Pharmacy. Okay, any degree. In your degree, there will be at least, if you go into engineering, 50 plus subjects will be there. Here 20 plus only. Here in MCA or MBA, 20 plus subjects will be there. In degree, 15 plus subjects will be there. When you are able to crack, when you are able to practice, when you are able to, okay. 1 second, please. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm trying to say. 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay. So now what I'm trying to say is, if you are able to listen these 50 subjects or 20 subjects, 50 subjects or 20 subjects, okay, and you are able to write the test and you are able to pass with distinction or 60%, whatever, why can't you able to complete it? Why can't you able to complete? Okay, this only just 3 sessions, three subjects. If you're able to complete 20 subjects, okay, when you're able to complete 20 subjects, why can't you able to complete just 2 subjects? So coding is nothing here, just a minimal coding. Coding is nothing. In Informatica, coding will not be there. Okay, so you no need to worry. You can easily get a job. The only thing is always do hard work, practice. Okay, always do hard work, practice. Okay. Yeah. One second, please. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, so please do the hard work and you can easily coding percentage in Informatica, just 5% maybe, very minimal percentage, very minimal coding, very minimal. Okay. So how many days, how many hours per day you can practice? I told you already. Okay. If you have 1 hour, please practice 1 hour. If you have 10 hours, practice 10 hours. But give the same importance to Oracle and Informatica. Give the same importance to Oracle and Informatica. Okay. So if you're practicing Oracle 1 hour, if you're practicing Informatica 1 hour, practice Oracle also. Okay. Practice Oracle also. Practice Oracle also 1 hour. Give the same importance. Give the same importance to Oracle and Informatica, please. Because we joined Informatica training. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, we joined Informatica training, we should practice only Informatica. No, because Oracle database is a backbone of Informatica. Without Oracle database, there is no Informatica place. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So please practice Oracle also. Please practice Oracle. In Oracle, there are 2 things, SQL, PL, SQL. I'll tell you later. In Oracle, there are two things, SQL and PL, SQL. Okay. So SQL and PL, SQL, there are 2 things. Okay. So if you learn SQL, that is more than enough. That is more than enough. That is more than enough. Okay. So just Oracle SQL is more than enough. PL, SQL, if you know, then it will be more good. It will be more good. Okay. Then it will be more good. Yeah. 1 second, please. Okay. PLSQL is not required. PLSQL is not required. I'll tell what is the difference between SQL and PLSQL. I'll tell later. Okay. So later I'll tell. Yeah. Okay. As of now, SQL is more than enough. If you already worked on SQL and PLSQL, or if you already know SQL, then Informatica is very easy. Then Informatica is very easy. Okay. PPT means PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint. Okay. PPT means PowerPoint. Okay. So if you don't have coding knowledge, if you don't know anything, okay, if you don't know, if you are having zero knowledge, that is fine. I'll tell from zero. No need to. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, if you don't know anything, suppose you are having a zero knowledge, I'll tell from zero. You can easily, okay, you can easily practice. You can easily get a job, I can say. Okay. So leave all your worries. Just focus on the training. Just focus on the training. You can easily survive, please. You can easily survive. Okay. So normally, what are the worries we have? What are the worries we have? 1 second. One second, please. Okay. So Few people will be having worries like, I don't have communication skills. That means, okay, I don't have communication skills. Okay, my English is very poor. Not a problem. If you don't have very good English, that's not a problem. Few people will be having, few people will be having that you hear that I don't know Oracle, I don't know Informatica, I don't know how to write Oracle queries. Not required, please. If you don't have anything, still you can get a job. Still, you can get a job. Okay, still you can get a job. Okay, no need to worry. So leave all your worries. Try to improve your communication skills. Just a normal English is fine. Whatever you are chatting in WhatsApp, that kind of a, okay, that kind of English is more than enough, because we are not writing an English exam here. We are not writing an English exam here. Okay, so we are doing what? We are our communication skill. Communication means what? Whatever you speak, that should be understandable to everyone. That should be understandable to everyone. So try to speak in English from today, next 45 days. Try to speak in English with your family members or your friends. English will come by speaking only. English will come by speaking only. So please speak in English only. Okay. So then you will get English. Then you will get a better English. Okay. When you have skills, if you have less communication skills, also fine. Not a problem. But yes, communication skills also will be there, should be there. You should not ignore it. Communication skills also important. So English will not come by watching. English will not come by writing. English will not come by listening. It will come by speaking only, please. It will come by speaking only. Are you clear, guys? Yes? Yeah? Understanding? Yes, please. 1 minute. One minute. Okay. Now, next is after this job. Okay. So nowadays, everybody are saying that is there any difference between non-IT students and IT students after getting a job? No, nothing. No, nothing, please. Okay. No, nothing. So all are same. Okay. In fact, non-IT people and IT people both are same. Nothing will be there. Okay. So you just practice whatever I say. So you can easily get a job. You can easily get a job. So you no need to worry about it. Yes, please. Clear? So my goal is all you people should get a job. That is my goal. That is my goal. Okay. So I will treat you people that you don't know anything. A non-IT people, a non-IT guy who don't know anything on Informatica or anything on Oracle, he should be able to get a job. Like that, many people got the jobs. I can say from my training, almost 1,500 plus people got the jobs. From my first batch onwards till now, almost 1,500 plus people got the jobs. Okay, few people got the jobs in first interview, few people got the jobs in got the jobs for 2 offers, 3 offers, 7 offers, 8 offers, 9 offers also. 2 of the people got 9 offers also. Okay, people got 100% hikes, 200% hikes, 300% hikes. So you no need to worry, just focus on the practice. Nowadays, everybody are saying that recession is there, right? So you no need to worry about it, please. No recession, nothing. Okay. So nothing will be impacted to India. So you no need to worry, please. So just to focus on the training, focus on the hard work, you will get the jobs for sure. Okay. For sure. You no need to get a job. You no need to worry about anything, please. Clear about it? There are still calls are there. People are getting the jobs. There are still calls are there for Informatica. You no need to worry about it. Okay. Any background, any degree, any background, you can get a job. Yes, any background. You are a teaching background, you are a finance background, you are a marketing background, you are a non-IT background, any background, you will get a job, please. Okay, based on your experience, based on your experience. Okay. So what I'm saying, based on your experience, you will get the job. Based on your experience, you will get the package. Okay. So if you try with 3+, then different package you will get it. If you try with 4+ experience, you will get a different package. If you try with 5+, you will get a different package. Once you complete my course, okay. One second. Yeah. Once you complete the course, you can try with 1+ experience, or 2+, or 3+, or 4+, or 4+ experience. Few people got the jobs with 5+, 6+ fake experience also. Okay. 5+, 6+ fake experience also. Yes, guys, clear about it? Yeah. Yes, please. Are you clear? Everyone able to understand? So if you have career gap, if you have education gap, also not a problem. Okay. So just to focus on hard work, you will easily get a job. Okay. So that is about this Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. Now, let's go directly to Informatica. Okay, regarding fake experience. Okay. Regarding fake experience. Okay. See, I don't give fake experience normally, but I have few contacts. Okay. So they will give the fake experience. We'll speak about the fake experience later. Okay. So you no need to worry. We'll help you to get a fake experience. So you no need to worry, please. Okay. So by completion of 25 sessions or 30 sessions, we'll give a contact. You can take with them. Okay. If you have better contacts, you can take with them. I will not force anybody to take with these people. Okay. With the contacts which I have, because I'm not getting anything with them. So you can take from anywhere. Not a problem. Okay. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now we'll go to subject now. Okay. 1 second. I'm getting a call, please. Give me a second. Guys, my language is understandable to everyone. Is my language is understandable to everyone? Yes, please. Yeah. Is this English is understandable to everyone? So I can speak better English also, but that should be understandable to you people. Okay, that's why I'm speaking in a normal, a simple English. Okay, because that should be understandable to everyone. Please. Okay. If you show fake experience, is there any chance to lay off? If you have skill, you no need to worry. That is why you need to improve your skills first. You need to improve your Oracle skills. You need to improve your Informatica skills. Okay. You need to improve your Oracle skills. You need to improve your Informatica skills. If you improve your Informatica and Oracle skills, nobody will, if you are going for a fake also, nothing will happen to you. Please. So you no need to worry about. Okay. 1 second. 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay. So you no need to worry. So just if you have skill, if you are going for a fake or a real time, so then it will be good for you. So not a problem. Nobody can do anything for you. Nobody can do anything for you. Okay. Clear, please? Yeah. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear about it? One second, please. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll come to our subject. We'll come to our subject. Okay. So we are learning what here now? We are learning Informatica PowerCenter. We are learning Informatica PowerCenter. This is the one we are learning. Informatica PowerCenter and Oracle. And Oracle. Okay. Informatica PowerCenter and Oracle. After completion of this training, once you get a job, you will be going as an Informatica developer. You will be going as a Informatica developer. Okay. So once, okay. So what I'm trying to say, once you complete the training and once you go to what? Once you go to the job, you will get a role called Informatica developers. Informatica developer. We are all Informatica developer. So Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. ETL. It's an ETL tool. ETL tool. So what is ETL tool? What is ETL? ETL means extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, load. Okay. Extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, and load. This is ETL. Extract what? Extract the data. Extract the data. Transform the data and load the data. Extract the data, transform the data, and load the data. So you need to extract the data, transform the data, and load the data. Before coming to it, what is data? What is data, guys? What is data? Anybody? Data is information. It's information. Okay. Okay. So collection of information. Collection of information. Suppose if you go to a bank, that is called banking data. If you go to a grocery shop, that is called grocery retail data. If you go to insurance company, they'll maintain insurance data. If you go to school or a college, they'll maintain college data. So that is called a data. For a business, if you go to any business, if you go to any business, so the transactions will happen, right? Those are called data. That is called data. Suppose if you go to Big Bazaar, so you will do the transaction. Transaction means what? You will take the groceries, whatever you want, and you will go to the cashier. You will pay the money to cashier, and cashier will give the goods to you. So that is called a transaction. Whatever you took the goods, he will enter in the system and he will click on print. When you click on, okay, when you click on print, okay, 1 second. Okay, so when he click on print, the data will save on the database and it will give a print to you. So that is called a data. What kind of data we have? We have banking data, we have insurance data, we have retail data, we have educational data, movies data. Everything in the world is data. Everything in the world is data. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Understanding what is data means? Okay. Now, data will store in the format of what? Where data will store? Where this data will store? Where this data will store? Data will be stored in two formats. Data will be stored in two formats. Tables or files. Data will be stored in two formats, tables or files. Okay. What is a table? If the data is stored in the format of rows and columns. Rows and columns. If the data is stored in the format of rows and columns, that is called a table. If the data is stored in the format of a file, that is called a data file or a flat file. Data file or a flat file. Okay. Yes, please. 1 second. Yeah. So, data will be stored in the format of tables or files. Data will be stored in the format of tables or files. So if the data is stored in the format of rows or columns, that is called a table. If the data is stored in the format of a file, then that file is called a flat file or a data file. Data file or a flat file or a flat files. Leave about the files. We'll see the files later. Okay. We'll see the, okay. So we'll see the, okay, what I'm saying, we'll see the files later. First, we'll discuss about tables. First, we'll discuss about tables. So, what is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. What is a table? Table is a collection of data which will be in the format of rows and columns like this. Okay, this is the data. This is called the data. I'll show you. So it's like this. Table look like this. See here. It will be having rows and columns. So this horizontal line is called a row. Okay, this horizontal line is called a row, and this is called a column. Okay. So suppose I'm having a student information, student ID, student name. Okay. Student ID, student name. Suppose marks, and then city. This is called what? This is called a table. In this is a column header. The student ID, student name, marks, city is a column header. Okay. Okay. So these are the column headers. Suppose student ID is 100, Raj. Okay. Student ID is 1. Raj, marks 100, Bangalore. Okay. Student ID 2, Ram 200, Chennai. Okay. Student ID 3, Ramya 300. Okay. Kochi. 4, Divya 400, Hyderabad. Okay, like this. Now these are called rows. These horizontal lines are called rows or records. Rows or records. These vertical lines are called columns or fields or attributes. Okay, attributes. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, The horizontal lines are called rows or records. The columns are called, now student ID is a column, student name is a column, student marks is a column, city is a column, city is a column. These horizontal lines are called records. Are you clear, please? What is the table means? If the data is collection of, if the data is in the format of rows and columns, if the data is in format of rows and columns, that is called, okay. So that is called what? Table. That is called table. Now, where these tables, okay. Yeah, okay. Now I'll go back here. Where these tables will store? Tables will store in where? Tables will store in where? Tables will be stored in database. Tables will be stored in database. Database. Okay. So what are the examples of database? Examples of databases? Examples of databases? Do you know any example of real-time databases? No, not like that. Database means a banking database. A banking database. Okay. Education database. Okay. Education database. Or insurance database. Insurance database. Okay. Or movie database. Okay. Retail database. Hospital database. Okay. Hospital database. These are all called databases. These are all called databases. Okay. So these are all called databases. Okay. Yeah. Okay. These are all called databases. Fine. Okay. Suppose you will go to a bank. We'll take an example. You will go to a bank. Okay. And you will give 10,000 rupees to cashier. What cashier will do? If you give 10,000 rupees to cashier, what cashier will do? What cashier will do, guys? He will deposit. Deposit means what? Where he will deposit? In account. Where your account exists, he will deposit in account. Where the account exists? In system, right? In bank system. In bank computer. In bank computer. In bank computer, the account will be there. They'll be entered. Okay, so when you give 10,000 rupees to cashier, he will enter in a form. He will open a form. He will write your customer ID or account number. When he type your account number, okay, all your information will come. There will be a credit option will be there. Credit 10,000. He will click on credit and he will save. When he click on save, internally bank is having a database server. Internally, your bank have a database server. Database server. What are database servers? What are database servers? What are database servers? Oracle database, SQL Server database, MySQL database, Teradata database, okay, Teradata, Greenplum, okay, Greenplum database, DB2, okay, Sybase. So these are the different database servers. Okay, so when you click on save, he will be a table. This Oracle database will be having a table called customers. The table name is customers. The table name is customers. Whatever he enter, that will go and sit in a table. That table will be there in Oracle database server or SQL Server database server or SQL Server database server. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So when you click on save, where it will go? Internally, it will go and sit in a database. Internally, it will go and sit in a database. Database is having, okay. So database is having tables. The customer table, whatever he enter, debit or credit, it will go and store in a customer's table. It will go and store in a customer's table. So I will give a real-time example. See, please. I'll give a real-time example. Okay. Okay, I'll show you here. So you know everyone Big Bazaar, right? You know everyone Big Bazaar. What is Big Bazaar? Big Bazaar is a retail business. It's a retail business, right? Grocery business. It's a retail business. Suppose business, it's a pure business. Big Bazaar is a business, a retail business. Suppose, okay, suppose there is in Bangalore, there is a branch called Indiranagar branch. Indiranagar branch. In Indiranagar branch, okay, Big Bazaar is there. Indiranagar, Big Bazaar is there. Every business, what they will look at the end of the day? If you have a business, what you will look at the end of the day? Whether I got, how much sales I got today. Either I got profit or loss. Or loss. Whether I got profit or loss. First I'll check what is the sales today. On daily basis, daily I will check what is the sales. Based on the states sales, I will calculate profit and loss. Okay, how? Suppose today, 25th of November 2022, into Indiranagar Big Branch, Big Bazaar, 200 people entered. 200 people entered into Big Bazaar branch. Okay, 200 people entered. So they did everyone. Some people give, some people will do the 1,000 rupee transaction, 10,000 rupee transaction, 20,000 rupee transaction, 40,000 rupee transaction, like that. How much? Today, almost, okay, today, almost, suppose 50 lakh sales. Sales is 200 people entered. 200 people entered into Big Bazaar. So if you calculate all the money given by them to me, rupees to Big Bazaar cashier, 50 lakh rupees. Sales is 50 lakh rupees. Today sales is 50 lakh rupees. And I will check the expenses also, right? Expenses. Expenses for today. Today sales is what? Sales today is 15 lakh. 50 lakh. Sales is 50 lakh. What are the expenses? What are the expenses? Normally, what will be the expenses? Normally, what will be the expenses? Rent of the building. Okay. Rent of the building. Okay. And maintenance. Maintenance means power. Okay. Electricity, whatever the maintenance. Okay. Maintenance of the building. Salaries of the employees. Salaries of the employees. And goods purchased. Okay. Suppose Big Bazaar is you are buying a toothpaste. Suppose you are buying a Sensodyne toothpaste with Big Bazaar. For Big Bazaar, the cost price is, okay, 1 second. The cost price is a toothpaste. The cost price is 50 rupees. But the selling price, the cost price is 50 rupees. Selling price may be 70 rupees. Selling price may be 60 rupees. So goods also, the 60 rupees also will come here. Okay. So expenses become 40 lakh. Today expenses are suppose 30 lakh. Today expenses are 30 lakh. Now how they will calculate the profit? Profit equal to sales minus expenses, right? Sales minus expenses. Expenses. Okay. Sales minus expenses. So how much I got profit today? How much I got profit today? 50 lakh minus 30 lakh. 50 minus 30, 20 lakh profit I got. 20 lakh profit I got. Suppose tomorrow my expenses are 50 lakh, sales is 30 lakh. My expenses are 50 lakh, sales is 30 lakh. Then I'll get loss. Loss how much? I'll get 20 lakh loss minus. So 30 minus 50 is minus 20 lakh loss. Okay. Now, ultimately, okay. So whatever the cashier will be there, right? He will enter the transactions. One person, suppose you go and you take the goods. Suppose you purchase some 5 goods, he will enter. It will go and sit in a table. This table is called OLTP table. What is this? OLTP table. OLTP means online transaction processing system. Online transactions processing. So the transactions, if you go to the bank, the cashier will enter the transactions. That will go into a OLTP table. If you go to college to pay the fee of your kid, that cashier will be there. No, in college, a clerk, he will enter the transaction. It will go and sit in a table. This kind of a table is called OLTP table. The transactions will store in OLTP table. Are you clear, please? What is the OLTP table? Are you clear? This is also called the raw data. Raw data means whatever the customer data that will simply store in the OLTP table. That will simply store in the OLTP table. Yes, guys? So this is called OLTP. OLTP means what? Online transaction processing. It will be having raw data. Okay, this is also called source data. This is also called source table or a source data. Source data. Fine. Okay. Suppose I am the Big Bazaar CEO. I am Big Bazaar CEO. Okay. I am Big Bazaar owner. What I wanted, I want daily report. Do you want a report? Do you want a report on daily basis? Yes or no, please? What kind of report? Report? Profit or a loss report? In Indiranagar branch, today I got how much profit? What is the sales? What is the profit? What is the loss? I want daily report. I want weekly report. Weekly report. I want monthly report. I want monthly report. I want a quarterly report. I want a yearly report. Yearly report. Annual report. Yes, please. Ultimately, I want a report. Ultimately, I want to report. Okay. Also, suppose in Bangalore, there are 5 branches. In Bangalore, there are 5 Big Bazaar branches. In Hyderabad, there are 6. In Chennai, there are 10 branches. Okay, like this, in every city, there are 10 branches. Now I want a Big Bazaar CEO want branch-wise report. Yes or no, please? Yes, please. Yes, guys. Yeah. Branch-wise reports. Okay. Branch-wise report I want as a Big Bazaar owner. And I want city-wise report. I want zonal-wise report or state-wise report. State-wide report. Zonal-wide report. Okay. Zonal-wide and country-wise report. Country-wide report. Why I wanted, I'll tell you. Country-wide report and country-wide. Okay, zonal means south zone, east zone, north zone, west zone, like that. Why? Why I wanted reports? To make the better business decisions. To make the better business decisions, we want reports. Who? The CEOs or the owners. Suppose every year Indiranagar branch is getting loss. First month I got 5 lakh loss. First month I got 5 lakh loss. And second month I got 6 lakh loss. Third month I got 10 lakh loss. Then I will take a business decision now. Shall I take a business decision now? What business decision? I want to remove the branch in Indiranagar. I wanted to move it to some other branch. I want to move it to some other location. Yes, guys. Based on the reports only I am getting. Based on the reports only. Suppose I wanted top 100 in my Big Bazaar. There are 10,000 people working in India wide. 10,000 people are working. I want what? I want, okay. Suppose I wanted what I can say. Top 100 salaries. Top 100 people. Top 100 salaried people. Top 100 salaried people. I can get the report from this report. From these reports, I can get top 100 salaries. Salaried people. Yes, please. Yes, you can get it. Okay. Like this, to make the business decisions, we will use reports. But how the reports will generate? How the reports will generate? Now our ETL comes into picture. So we have OLTP, we have a source, extract, this is ETL, extract, transform, this is transform, and load. Okay, load. What? Extract from OLTP table, extract the data from OLTP table. OLTP table. This table also called source table. And transform it. Transform means what? Modify. What we are doing? Extract the data. Extract the data from OLTP table and modify the data based on your business requirement. Based on business requirement, we'll modify the table, we'll modify the data, and we will load the data to a different table called OLAP table. OLAP table or target table. Online analytical processing. We will take the raw data, we will modify the data, and we'll load it to target. This table is having the data after analysis. After analyzing, the data will be there. From this table, we will generate the reports. From these tables, we'll generate the reports. So it is like this. Okay. So this is my source. This is my target table. Source table, target table. So what we do? This is extract. This is source. This is target. Okay. So what we will do? Extract the data. Okay. Extract or read or get the data from OLTP table. OLTP table. Okay. This is what? Raw data, right? This is raw data or transactional data. Transactional data. What we will do? We'll extract the data from OLTP table or raw data. We will modify based on our business requirement. We will modify the data. So this data, we'll take it here and we will transform it. That means modify the data, transform. Okay. Transform or modify the data and load it to target table. And load it to where? OLAP table. Okay. Load it to OLTP or OLAP table. Load or write the data. Okay. Or put the data to the OLAP table. This is called online analytical processing. From these target tables, the people will generate the reports. The reporting people will generate the reports. These are the reports. Are you clear, please? As an Informatica developer, what you will do? You will extract the data from source, transform it, and load it to target. This is our responsibility. Daily basis, we will do this one. What? This one. Reporting people will generate the reports. Reporting people will generate the reports. Did you understand what is ETL? Did you understand what is ETL? Yes, please. Yes, guys. Did you understand what is ETL? So why we need to use ETL? Ultimately, what is the need of your project? If you go to a project, what is the need? To generate the reports ultimately. The thing is we need the output of our project should be the reports. Yes or no, please? The reports. Okay. Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone, please. Yeah. Able to understand? So ultimately, we will take the raw data. And we'll modify the data and we'll load into target tables. From target tables, these reports will generate. This will be used to, why we need to use the reports? To make the better business decisions. We should use the reports. Yes, please. Yeah, anything, any data, any OLTP. The transaction called Okay. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, 1 second, please. I'll come back in 1 minute. Please wait. Yes, please. Okay. So this is about ETL. Now, Informatica is a ETL tool. Now, Informatica is a ETL tool. So by using ETL, we will do this process. What is the process we'll do? We will extract the data from source. We'll modify it. We'll load it to target table. We will load it to target table. Are you clear, please? So did you understand? Did you understand, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. So did you understand what is the use of our project? Suppose if you go to your project, what ultimately the project purpose is? Ultimately, the project purpose is to generate the reports, business reports, to generate the business reports, Okay, we will use reporting knowledge is not required. Reporting knowledge is not required. Reporting people will do the reports. Reporting people will do the reports. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so that's about ETL tool. And what are the ETL tools? What are the different types of ETL tools? Okay, all those things we'll discuss later. I want to give an important update. Okay, now what do you need to do after this session? What do you want to do after this session? Okay, difference between OLTP, OLAP, I'll tell later. Okay, so number one, first, complete the installation. Today, complete the Oracle and okay. Complete the Oracle installation. Oracle and Informatica installation. Oracle and Informatica installation. Number two. Okay. So you already installed Zoom app, I guess. Download and install Zoom app. Okay. Download and install Zoom app and register Zoom with the Gmail ID given to me. Gmail ID given to me. Download and install the Zoom app. Okay. And install and register Zoom app. Okay. Register Zoom with the Gmail ID given to me. With the Gmail ID given to me. Number three. What you need to do? Okay. Open rajinformatica.com. So I think you have all access. If you don't have access, you will get the access. You will get the access. Okay. Okay. So open rajinformatica.com. Open rajinformatica.com. 1 second, I'm getting a call. Please wait. Yeah. Okay. So so log into rajinformatica.com, open rajinformatica.com and log in with your Google. First, you can sign up or directly you can log in also. Log in with Google. Okay. And select your email ID which given to me. Select your email ID which you have given to me. I think this email ID is not there here. 1 second. 1 second, please. Let me open it. One minute. Give me a second, guys. I'll come back in 1 minute. Please wait. Okay, 1 second. Let me logging in. Please wait. Let me logging in. Yes, please. Okay. Yeah. Fine. 1 second. Yeah. So now what you do? What you need to do today? Okay. So the first step is, this is the first step, right? Very good. So first you complete the Oracle and Informatica installation. Okay. Next is download and install Zoom app. Register Zoom with the Gmail ID given to me. Number 3, open rajinformatica.com and log in. Open rajinformatica.com. Okay. Log in with the Gmail ID given to me. Gmail ID given to me. So whichever the Gmail ID and phone number is very, very important, please. So you should not change your phone number or Gmail ID. That is fixed. Okay. So log in with Google. Log in with Google you give. So select your Google account. Once you select your Google account, it will log into with your Gmail ID. Now this student section is yours. Dashboard, enrolled courses, join live sessions, download Zoom app. Okay. So these are all yours. If you go to student section, dashboard, you can see your details here. So if you go to my profile, okay, here you can see. So your name and registration date, all these things you can see. And if you go to enrolled courses, dashboard, enrolled courses. Okay. So here you can select your morning batch. Professional Informatica training, 15th batch morning. Click on it. Okay. If you have paid 15,000, you will be having access to the website. If you completed your payment, okay, you will be having access for this website. Here, you can click on Start Learning. Once you click on Start Learning, see 1 to 10 videos are there in the website already. 1 to 10 videos are there. The last batch videos. You can see the last batch videos, 1 to 10 videos, and also the material, it is there already. So whoever paid full amount, you can watch the videos, okay, the previous batch videos, and you can listen again in the live session so that it will be easy for you. It will be easy for you. If you want to download the material, just click on download here. So it will open the Google Drive link. It will open the Google Drive link like this. Suppose here, lesson 3. Click on lesson 3. Okay. You can download the material here. See, like this, it will down. You can copy paste or you can download here. You can download. Okay. That's about this. Whoever not paid, to get the website access, you need to pay the full amount. If you pay the full amount, you will get the website access, please. Okay. Yeah, these are 12th batch videos. Correct. Yes. I given the 12th batch. Anyways, all batches are same. The same content in all batches. Few improvements will be happen for the next batch and next batch. Okay. So that is how you need to access your website. Do you understand? So open rajinformatica.com. Then log in with your Gmail ID. Go to students, enrolled courses. Under enrolled courses, okay, you can see these. You can open the 15th batch morning, 15th morning batch. Once you click on morning batch, start learning. You need to click on start learning. Once you click on start learning, click on lesson 1 and video lesson 1. Here you can watch the video and you can download the material like this. Till session 10, you will be having videos, and from lesson 11 to 35, you will be having the material, only the material. After 11 session, material will enable. Okay, like that. Are you clear, please? Click on lesson 1. Click on lesson 1 and play the video. Click on this one. Play. It will play. It will play. It will play the video. Yes, please. Clear? Are you clear about it? How to watch the sessions and how to download the material? You no need to ask the material. After every class, we'll upload the material. Today is 14th batch, no, 15th batch, right? After completion of this video will be replaced with 15th batch video. So these are all old batch videos. After completion of lesson 1 15th batch, session 1, we'll upload, this will replace today's video. After second video, we'll upload second video of 15th batch, like that. Okay, and we'll upload the material. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Yes, guys? Yeah? Clear about it? Now, how to join? Today I given a public link. Today I given a public link. From Monday onwards, you will not get the public link. From Monday onwards, here it is there. Here, if you want the installation links, here only it is there. In my website only it is there. See? Go to rajinformatica.com. Here, course content. Okay, you can click on course content. If you want to see the course content, you can see the course content. You can see the course content here. Okay, course syllabus. You can see the syllabus. Okay, or you can download the syllabus. You can download the syllabus. Okay, like this, you can download the syllabus. Okay. If you want to install Informatica, if you want to install Informatica installation video, here it is there. Go to enrolled courses, students enrolled. Okay, and open 15th batch morning. The first one, start learning. Here it is there. Informatica installation process. Informatica installation process. Here download links also there. Download links also there in the PDF. So Oracle 11G Express Edition. Okay, download links also there. Okay, you can download it, or I'll send in the group also there. I'll send in the group also. Okay, this is how you can download. Now, today I sent a Zoom link, but from Monday onwards, you will not get a Zoom link. How to join the live session? How to join the live session on from Monday? How to join live session? So what to do? You have to open rajinformatica.com, go to student section. Are you seeing join live session? Are you seeing join live session? Everyone? Yes, please. Are you seeing join live session? Click on this. Once you click on join live session, select your morning 15th batch. Select your morning 15th batch. Okay. So here you will be having access. So I'll go to 14th batch and I'll show you. Maybe they have not given the access. Okay. Okay. Here also it is not there. Here you will be seeing what? A Zoom ID password here. Here you will see when you go to students, join live session and select your morning batch. Okay. Once you select 15th batch morning batch, here you will see what? You will see morning and evening batch. Morning and evening batch. Sorry, you will see Zoom user ID password. You will see the Zoom user ID password. You should take the Zoom user ID password from here and you should put in Zoom app only. You have to open Zoom app. You have to open Zoom app like this. Zoom. Once you install Zoom, okay, you have to open Zoom app. Okay, and you need to join meeting. Their user ID password, you need to put it here. You need to type user ID password. Are you clear, please? Are you clear how to join live session? So from Monday, I will not send the public link. Maybe I may send public link on Monday, but third session onwards, I will not send. I will not send. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Yes, guys. Yeah. Yes. So that is the today's session. That is about today's session. Okay, I'll send the links, everything, whatever we want to do. So I'll okay. So after what I can say, WhatsApp group, I'll add you. So practice groups by Sunday will create by Sunday night or Monday, and I'll send the instructions, and I'll send the instructions. Okay, I'll send the instructions. I'll send the instructions through WhatsApp group. So please check the WhatsApp group. Okay. If you have any doubts in installation, post in the group, the other people will help. Guys, please help. If you already installed Informatica, if you got the same error, please help other people. Please help other people. Okay. Okay. Why I am not giving videos? Somebody is asking why I am not giving the videos. Number one, if I give the videos, suppose if I give all videos, suppose if I tell that if I give all 37 videos, if I give, what is the problems? Problem number one. Okay. Problem number one is nobody will join the live session. 50% of the people will not join at all. Nobody will join the live session because they will get the recording. Number two, you cannot watch a 2-hour video. That is 37 into 2. How many hours, guys? 74 hours. 74 hours you cannot watch at all. I can guarantee you that. You cannot watch. Number three, you will not practice properly. You will not practice properly. Okay. If you watch the video and practice, then it's waste of time for you. So for your purpose, I am not giving the video and my videos will be misused. That's why. That's why. Okay. I'm not giving the videos. So for your purpose and my purpose, I'm not giving the videos. 1 to 10 why I'm giving? Because you are new. You need some help in initially. Okay, these 1 to 10 sessions are very important. If you are able to complete 1 to 10 sessions, if you are able to complete 1 to 10 sessions without seeing the video, if you practice, then later the 20-30 sessions are easy. The later 20-25 sessions are easy. Okay, guys? Yeah? Yes, please. Clear about it? So to get the website access, so please pay the full fee. Please pay the full fee. You will get the website access. Okay. Yes, guys. So is my session is interesting today? Is it able to understand? Are you able to understand? So are you liking my session? So later you will like more and more. Later you will get addicted to my training. Okay, for sure. I can guarantee you that without my session, your morning will not be good. Like that, I'll tell. Okay. Like that, I'll tell my sessions. Okay. I'll create the WhatsApp. I already created the WhatsApp group. I'll add you. Okay. I will add you. Okay. In the WhatsApp group, and I'll create the practice groups. So please complete the installation once. Please complete the installation process. It is in video, please. Go through the video. Yes, it's Informatica is just a tool. Yes. It's a tool. That's it. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Are you clear? So I hope everyone liked my sessions. So see you on Monday then. See you on Monday. Whatever I have shown in system, everything I will send it to you. Everything I will send it to you. Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah. No class tomorrow and day after tomorrow. See you on Monday. Next session is on Monday, please. Next session is on Monday. Okay. Fine, guys. Thanks for joining. Thank you all. Bye-bye. See you guys. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Bye, guys. Yeah.